Yeah.
Because there's a huge difference, isn't there, between a plant, an animal, and a human.
Yeah.
And the main fundamental difference is self-awareness. So how come we are seemingly the only creature that's aware? Now, given under the theories of evolution, given an infinite universe, everything should be self-aware.
Yeah.
But we are the only one self-aware, and even like all throughout history, only one ever self-aware as far as we're aware. We're the only ones who are self-aware. So where did this sort of self-awareness come from? It's an interesting question, isn't it? These are sort of fundamental questions. To my mind, these are fundamental questions children should be looking at.
This is the soul, yeah?
Yeah, well, that's right. There's an explanation. But only if we consider something beyond the physical.
Yeah.
Is there an explanation? Yeah. So the issue of self-awareness is a big issue, which would tend to indicate that there has to be something happening behind the scenes that we don't know what's going on with that issue of self-awareness. Nobody's ever worked it out. No scientist or mathematician or anybody has ever worked out what is self-awareness and how does self-awareness work or any of these kind of things in terms of how did it come about. Of course, each of us know how it works because we're all living proof of it in our day-to-day lives. But it is a big issue, isn't it, as to where did it come from? It's a good question, isn't it?